Here I'm going to show you how to attach this quartz movement to a dial that is missing the posts. So these are double-sided stickers, specially designed for this. So you take them from the release paper with some tweezers. Make sure the tweezers are very pointy and aligned so you can remove them easily. As you can see, you place them around the movement. I usually put 4 or 5 around the movement. Press on it to make sure they attach to the surface of the movement. Now we're going to put one more here. And now I'm going to remove those yellow papers. And next, I'm going to show you how to put it on the dial. And a toothpick will be the key, will be the secret, will be the reason why it is easy to align. You take a toothpick and you put it in just about 1 millimeter, maybe 2, no more than that. Look at the dial. It is missing the metal posts. So now you find the 3 o'clock. Usually the 3 o'clock has a little indented part right there. Okay. And you're going to insert the dial on the center and make sure that the 3 o'clock is aligned with the toothpick right there. Press on it. It's aligned at the center, and that's it. This is the best way to do it because the toothpick is really guiding you, and you don't have to struggle to align the movement. You can see it right there. It's straight, and that's where the stem will go. Thank you guys, and I hope this video helps you.